Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss follow-ups for describe something that you taught to your friend or relative. Okay. So the first question is, what are the things that young people can teach old people to do? So my answer I've written, in my opinion, youngsters can teach elderly to use social media, engage in online activities, and navigate the digital world. Navigate the digital world means how to use websites, okay, how to log into like social media such as Facebook or Instagram. They can also teach them about current trends, pop culture, and music. Okay. Additionally, young people can share their knowledge on new technologies such as smartphones, tablets, or other gadgets. Okay. Second question is, what skills can young people teach the old besides technology? So apart from technology, what can young people teach elderly? Okay. Well, apart from tech, young folks, synonym for young people, can teach old people about painting, drawing on a digital canvas, and using high-end cameras. Moreover, young people can share their knowledge on fashion, makeup, and hairstyle. Third question is, why older people have problems in learning new things? Older people may have problems in learning new things due to several reasons. One reason is that they might have a fixed mindset and are resistant to change. Many old people do not want to learn new things. Okay, they are resistant. They feel that this is redundant to their life. Okay, they may also have difficulty adapting to new technology and may lack the motivation to learn something new. Additionally, elderly may have physical limitations that may make it difficult for them to learn new skills. So many elderlies have arthritis. Okay, so it is very difficult for them to navigate phone or like typing things. Okay, the fourth question is, do you think showing is a better way than telling during education? Yes, absolutely. Showcasing is a synonym for showing, is a better way than telling during education because it provides a more engaging and interactive learning experience, which can help the learner retain the information better. Sometimes when we see things visually, we tend to learn them. It tends to get embedded into our minds better than other times. Showing also allows the learner to ask questions and clarify any doubts that they may have. Okay. The fifth and the last question is, do you think constant training is important for people to study something? Yes, in my view, regular training is highly beneficial. Beneficial, it is vital, very important for people to study something as it helps them retain the information better. It also helps them stay up to date with latest developments in their field and improves their skill. Okay, and become more proficient in their area of study. So, if we are constantly training, we become better. Practice makes a person perfect, right? Also, constant training makes you better. You gain more knowledge about that subject. Okay. So, this was the follow ups for describe something that you taught to your friend or relative. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button